Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, we give a few more minutes for the rest to join if they're going to join. Um, but in the meantime, everybody else, uh, the class from last week, that is still working, right? Your game is working, right? Hello, you guys hear me? Yeah. So, any questions before we go on with the yeah? What about what we have done last week? It shouldn't happen. But the easiest way to solve it would be just to delete it and then add it again, I guess. Okay. So I think we can continue. So let me share my screen. Okay. So as you guys can see, um, my my screen here, I have so I have two rows. So basically, have to add more rows. Okay. So our initial one we had up to 6 rows, right? So we can just easily copy and paste this. So I got 2 rows here. I can just copy and paste and move it here. Okay. And then paste and then move it here. Okay. So end up with 6 rows and then have to fix everything up lah. So we'll have I have to fix this one. So I'll be renaming it so that the first the row start over here and the column start over here. So this will be row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. And this will be column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay. So this one, I will rename this to food 0, 0. Okay. And I will put the post X, post Y, 0, 0. Okay, so this one, I rename it to food 0, 1. Okay, and this one, post X, post Y will be X will be 1, Y will be 0. How to copy paste? You select at the main screen though, and then you can copy. You can press Ctrl C, or you can just right click over here, copy, and then when you want to paste, make sure you select the root node before you paste. Ctrl V, or right click, paste. You understand, Lokman? Okay. So we'll be doing this. I have it the other way around, no? I have 0, 0 here, 0, 1 here, 0, 2, 3, 0, 4 down here. Oh. I have it the other way around, so I'm just going to move this one to the top. This one will 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So that one I will move to the second one. Yeah. This one no name. All the rest of this is, let's copy paste. So this is 1, 0. So this should be food 2, 0, 2, 0. So the X is 0, the first Y is 2. Okay, this 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so make changes to your need to uh to make sure you don't forget to update the post X and post Y too, apart from just the name. So start from below. We're going to start from the top. So over here will be 0, and then down here will be 1, over here will be 2, over here will be 3, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. So this one will be 3, 0. 3, 0. So the Y will be 3, the X will be 0. This will be 3, 1. Okay. X will be 1. Y will be 3. This will be 3, 2. 3, 2. So Y will be 3. This is 3, 4. Sorry, Kakak, what? What's the order? The way I'm ordering it is that the 0 start from the top and from the left. Yeah. So this is 0, 0. Okay. This is 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Down here will be 1, 0. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. And this is 2, 0. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. And then this will be 3, 0. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Oh, I didn't remember that. Yeah, you copy paste first and then you move it around. Or you rename it. So this will be 4, 0. I can't hear you. You're not using your microphone now. Can you use your microphone?
What do I do with the post X and post Y again?
Update it so that it reflects this one.
Okay.
So this is 4, 0. Okay, put 4, 0. So the Y is 4, the X is 0. So over here is put 4, 1. So the Y is 4, the X is 1. So this is put 4, 2. Okay. So the Y is 4, the X is 2. This is put 4, 3. So 4, 3. Okay. And this is put
Is
4,
the
4.
X the layer or the what the
No. X is the X is one of the axes. If you go this way, it is X. Horizontal is X. If you go this way, it's Y. Vertical is Y. Up and down is Y.
oh
Left and right is X.
so the wait so the top is what? What do I put for the top?
The top is 0, 0.
Okay. Oh,
And then 0, 1,
oh.
0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4.
Oh.
Okay. So this is just the coordinates of the food lah. So we start with 0, 0 at the top. So sometimes, like for example, for Godot, this is the 0, 0. If you go up that way, I don't know whether you can see it, but do you see this? This is negative 500. Negative 500. So going this way is negative. Going this way to the left is negative for X. Going up above this is negative for Y. Okay? So it goes down, it goes to the right. Okay? So it goes, if it goes down, then the Y becomes more positive. the x goes to the right, it becomes more positive. So this is basically what we're trying to do here. So this is our coordinates. We start here with 0, 0. And then when you go to the right, it increase the x. The x become 1, the x become 2, the x become 3, the x become 4. When you go down, it increase the y. So y becomes 1, y becomes 2, y becomes 3, y becomes 4. And over here should be y becomes 5.
Okay, dokes. Gracias.
This is 5, 1. Okay. 5, 0. This is 5, 1. This is 5, 2. This is 5, 3. This is 5, 4. Okay. So once you have mapped it all out, then if you were to run the game, it should map it out properly. So post X, post Y, when you move it, it should show you down here what is the current post X, post Y for all of it. Okay. So I'll let you guys finish first, and then we'll go to the next part, where we modify, because right now, as you can see, it's not randomizing all of it. So I'll let you guys finish this one first. Tell me when you're done, okay? Well, if you did everything right, then when you play the game, okay, you'll be able to see that all of the coordinates are as expected lah. So for example, this one should be your y increasing when you move this way. When you move this way, your x is increasing. So you can check for every row, make sure that it is detected. Okay. All right. So next, what we're going to do is that we're going to change so that, yeah, we're going to change so that all of them come up as random. Okay. So the way to do that, um, you guys can go to your node, main node here, and click on the script. Okay. Okay. So we need a few things. First, we need a list of food that we want to uh put up randomly because we have here there's a lot. We have like yeah, almost, I'm not sure whether it goes through. Yeah, it's like 100 icons there. So we're not going to use all up to 100 icons. Okay. So I just put up here around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 icons here. Okay. So var food picks. This is an array. Okay. An array of which icons we want to be chosen in our random apa namanya play field lah. Okay. So grid is basically the 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 plate that is going to be chosen. Okay. So that is the what is meant by grid is the grid lah, um the grid of food. Okay. Current cell is what is currently selected. So this one is later we're going to use. Okay. And then change pick is a function. This is the function to change the food picture. Okay. So you have here your row and your column. And then which picture you want. Picture as in the array here lah. This the index of this array. So 0 would be apple pie dish, bread dish would be 1, bouquet dish would be 2, bun dish would be 3. So if PIC is 3, then it will display bun dish. Okay. Row and column is where the row and column is lah. Which row and which column. So this one is, so this is why it's important for us to rename it just now. Okay. So that we choose the node name, which is food underscore the row and then the column. Okay. And then current node is get node name. So this one we're getting the nodes that is currently being changed lah. The picture that is being changed. So image name equals to rest // images plus food pics. Food pics is our array here. Okay, pic is the index of the array that we want to choose. So it will become, so image name will become rest images, like for example just now bun dish, so it will be /bun dish.png. Okay. And then current node dot get node sprite dot texture load image name. So this is how you get the node. Okay. This is how current node. Yeah, this is new. This is new. This is completely new. I don't think I've asked you guys to write a script for this one yet. So if you were to go to your main node and then you click here, you guys for you guys it should actually ask to create a new script and then you click create. No, we haven't done it yet. So and then uh and then get node will be actually getting the node from, because like what I mentioned, what we did before this one is actually a scene. This is a scene. Our scene that we made was the block scene. Okay, so inside the block scene, if we will double click this, this is the block scene. Okay, you have your sprite, you have your area, you have your collision. So we want to change the sprite. So that is what we're doing here. With once we get the node, and then we get node again. Okay, dot sprite, dot texture. So we get the node and then we get the this is basically the scene, and then we get the node inside the scene which with the name sprite. Okay, and then we load the texture. Right, so over here going to change row from range to okay, this one, so this one change row from range this will be 6 lah. 6 to 5. Okay, 6. And then the column will be up to 5. So grid.append. This one, we are choosing, we are saving the currently selected random food. Okay, so this is the random food. If you guys remember how we did it last time. Okay, random integer, and then we mod it with the length of food picks. So if we add more food picks here, then it will become even higher lah. So it will become the choice will be more. Okay, so grid is the array that we give here. So we will create here. Dot append, that means we're going to add this to the grid. Okay, and then change pick, we call on this function to change the row and the column, which is what we are looping through now, with the grid that we chose just now. Row times 5 plus column. So row is like I mentioned before this, which is row times 5 plus column. Okay, so this is one row. This is row 2, row 3. So row times 5, because for example, if you are on row 0, okay, if you're on row 0, then 0 times 5 is 0. Okay, plus column. So if you are column 0, this is column 0. Okay, so if we go over this way, then column becomes 1. Okay, column becomes 2, column becomes 3, column becomes 4. All right. So that is the so once you've done that, then if you were to run it, it should randomize your whole list of plates. Okay. So I leave you guys to copy this first. I'm not gonna make it fit. I can't make it fit. So if you guys need me to scroll down, just tell me, okay? It might be a bit confusing, but it should still work because the orientation is up to you. The computer doesn't actually know whether you want to put it up or down or left or right. It just follows. It just follows what you mentioned. So you wanna start from the bottom? It's up to you. Okay. It's up to you. You can put in more if you want. If you want it to become more random. I put 11 dishes because um when I did, yes, I think it's the minimum that we want to be able to get um sort of a randomness that will allow for like, for example, what I want to make sure is that there is no food that is repeated 3 times, because 3 times or more, then that one it should be crushed lah, right? So when I did my test, 11 was the minimum for that to happen lah. If you have less than 11, then some of the food repeat more than uh there will be more than 3 in a row lah, or in a column. Oh my god, I've been talking to myself for 10 minutes just now. I forgot to unmute. uh Sorry, Lokman. have you finished copying all of it? Because I didn't scroll down just now. If you have copied all of
Not
it,
yet.
if you have
Not yet.
copied all of it, then we can check your error. But if you haven't, then not
What?
yet.
I need to copy all of it first.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, is it working? Have you guys finished copying? You need me to scroll back up, oh? Oh, okay. Are you guys all done? Done, but something wrong. Okay. You want to share your screen, Aisha? You see what's wrong? Okay. The thing that is wrong is because you need to line 32, so you need to tap it in. Yeah, in that it use the tab. You can use the tab key. So, yeah, okay. So grade though, yeah, tap it 2 times. Okay. Same as the change speed. Need to be 2 times. Yeah, okay. Here, try to save. Get node, do you have to get underscore node? Yeah. Okay. Okay, kakak, try to share screen. Oh, nothing happens. Okay. Try to scroll up. Okay, scroll down a bit. Scroll down a bit. Okay. So look at the line 23, the image name is under res underscore slash colon slash slash images slash, right? That one is because my folder I call it images. Yours, I see that you call it food. Yeah. Invalid get index 5 on base array. Okay, kakak, you write the formula on line 32 wrong. It is row times 5. There's a star. It's not a plus. Row times 5 plus column. Yeah. Apa invalid set texture. No. Okay. This one I need to check your apa ni block. So, can you double click on your block scene? Your block scene. The down there. The block scene. Yeah. Let me annotate here. Okay. So if you were to go, can you just double click here? Okay. And then you press 2D here. Okay. And then you double click here. No. Easier you just press here lah. Under here. Block.scene. Yeah, double click that. Okay. So you didn't rename it to sprite. It's still sprite 2D. So rename it to sprite. The S is small. Okay. Now you can try. All right. Okay. Lokman, how about you? Everything working? Arfan, I assume yours is working? Lokman not done yet. You still copying the source code, is it? Okay. I share my screen so that for you to copy. Tell me once you're done. Arfan, how about you? When I run the game, it doesn't respond. There's not much to respond yet, except for the post X and post Y. No? Automatic grading and food assignments. Oh, okay. You open it, you can't see anything, and it says not responding. Can you share your screen? But when you share your screen, make sure you share your whole screen, okay? Not just the Godot window. There you got a error there. Go back to your Godot just now. Attempt to call function get node in base null instance on a null instance. Okay, so what essentially this means is because your current node 925, when it tried to find the node, it didn't find the node. Okay, and I can see the reason is because you call it block. You see, you call all of it block. So yours over here should be block too. And you don't have any space with your name. So you should, like, this underscore shouldn't even be here. So you just change this to block. Okay, can you scroll up and down over here? Over here. I want to see your list of blocks. Okay, scroll up. Okay, looks right. When you play, does it work? You need to stop first, the previous one. Okay. There's still an error. That's close. What's the error? Can you look back at the Godot? At the debugger here? Resource not found. Images. So it needs to be able to be found. So if you scroll up, no, over here, scroll up. So you call it images and then images. So yours is a folder inside a folder. Okay, so either you move everything outside, or the fastest way is for you to just change the source code here. You scroll down. Oh, there. You add over here images /images /. Okay. Now try it. Okay, that's kind of weird. Let's try to see. How can you go back to the 2D view? Okay. Can you click one by one slowly? Okay, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Wait. So, again. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay, next. 1, 0. Okay, next. 1, 1. Okay, next. 1, 2. Okay, next. 1, 3. Okay, next. 1, 4. Okay, next. 2, 0. Okay, next. 1. Okay, next. 2, 2. Okay, next. 2, 3. Okay, next. 2, 4. Right, next. 3, 0. Okay, next. 3, 1. Right, next. 3, 2. Next. 3, 3. Next. 3, 4. Okay, next. 4, 0. Okay, next. 4, 1. Okay, next. 4, 2. Okay, next. 4, 3. Next. 4, 4. Wait. Your 4, 4. Why your X is not correct? Post X, post Y. It should be, yeah, that one should be 4, 2. Yeah. Okay. Next. 5, 0, 5, 1. Okay, next. 5, 2. Okay, next. 5, 3. Okay, next. 5. Yeah, this one also 4. Okay. Yeah, but I shouldn't make it. Why is there some not there? Wait, let me see your list of food in your source code. Yeah. Is there any of this that is actually missing? Can we just some is not being found. Try to look for debugger though. Click on the debugger. Yeah. Click on the error. Okay, it's not found 35 donut. Okay, and the 5 apple pie. It is 05 apple pie. Apple underscore pie. Number 12. Line 12 tu. Apple pie tu is apple underscore pie. Apple underscore pie. Yeah. Strawberry cake. Your strawberry cake is 90. Okay, that should work. There you go. Okay. Lokman, try to share screen.
Okay.
Okay, invalid white space character. Oh, all right. Invalid white space character ni is because of tab or space ni. I need you to delete, yeah, before backspace
Okay.
and then press tab. Yeah. Can you save? Try to save. It work.
No.
And 6. Maybe there's a space at the back. Is there a space at the back? Behind the baguette? No. Um, oh my God. This is quite difficult because you need to try to delete the white space character though. So what I want you to do from line 6 to 13, you backspace, all of it.
Macam ni.
Yeah. 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 Okay. And then you go to the back, to the end of the line. Okay. Try to click at the line at the bottom. Sorry, below that. Click the line below that. Okay, next. 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 Okay. So now you go to line 6 and then you press tab. And then line 7, yeah. Okay, that's it. Still invalid white space character. Can you try to just delete line 6 though? The whole line, the whole line. Okay, save. It still says the same thing. Can you undo? Control Z? Control Z. Okay.
The last project like this.
And then how do you fix it?
Hmm.
You didn't fix it.
Fix it like itulah apa nama tu backspace tab. Nak
Yeah, but it's
use.
not working now. Maybe you need to do online 4 and 5 too. Maybe you need to do backspace back tab online 4 and 5.
Like this.
Yeah. Tab. Yeah. Save. No, save. Cannot.
Save.
Can you put it your cursor on line 6 and then you backspace until it goes to line 5.
Backspace.
Backspace. Backspace again. Okay, now press enter. Okay. Save. Man, this is so weird. Lokman,
Yes.
can you do it for all when you do this for all of the lines, like for you start from line 29, you backspace until you join the previous line. No, line
29.
14. Line 14. Okay, backspace,
Space tab like that.
backspace. No, 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 no. Backspace, backspace again. What happened? Backspace, backspace. It disappeared.
Just gone.
So press delete. Delete, 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 delete.
Delete ke backspace?
Delete, delete. Keep on pressing delete. What? That's weird. Undo again, Control Z, Control Z. Again. Control Z again. Okay. I want you to go to the end of line 6. You delete. You press delete until line 7 to come up. Delete, delete. Okay, delete. Okay. Now you. Oh no. Undo. Control Z. Sorry. Lokman, you
Yes.
go to the end of line 6 though. Sorry. Go to the end of line 5. And you press delete. Delete. Okay. Now you go to the end of line 5 again. Go to the end. Press delete. Delete. Delete again. Delete until the next line come up.
Doesn't come up.
Keep on deleting. This is the space that that became error though. We cannot see it. Nampak. Suddenly it become Lokman, I think
Yes.
this is something wrong with the copy paste from the chat. No, you copy paste this from the chat, right?
Yes.
So I think it's something wrong with the copy paste from the chat. Probably your Zoom put in some sort of character that you cannot see. So the easiest way is that you just delete line from line 6 to 11 tu, and then you copy back my ni, ataupun kalau you don't copy mine pun, you can just choose whichever pictures you want. Betul.
Delete.
Line 5 tu pun you can delete the okay.
Delete all just.
You can just delete all lah.
Hi.
Okay, and then you
Try
just you want me to share my screen or
Oh, sekejap.
okay, you can copy it. All right, for the rest, I think this is all that we'll be doing tonight. Untuk ni. So inshallah we'll continue more next week with the actual selection and the probably the crushing. Okay. So thank you guys for your for Lokman, we can do this until you are finished lah. Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Yeah, and man. While you are copying that, I need to do this. You can see the source code, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I have copied. Dah
Yeah.
copy dia ni tapi dekat last ni pula ada error.
Try share screen. This one you copy from Zoom lagi sekali ke?
Copy.
This.
Tapi yang ni dah elok pula, yang ni pula yang ni.
Then you just delete the last line lah. And then write it back. This one your error is yeah, current node. Oh, because your line 21, you call it current code. It's supposed to be current node. That's why line 23 cannot be found. Okay. Try to play. There. Remember, you only need to make it so that move it more to what's the middle.
Okay.
Okay. That's all. See you next week.
Thank you.
Welcome.